Installation of Ubuntu Windows 11 virtual machine. So before that we need to install virtual machine xc.exe. So now we're gonna download Ubuntu desktop. So 22.40 version. So it will available up to April 2017. So download that. It is up to 6 GB. So we're gonna skip that downloading portion. Now the Ubuntu.exe is downloaded. Now we're gonna install that into a virtual machine. So we're going to create a virtual space for that. So now we're going to select the name of that virtual machine, Ubuntu name, keeping that all it's a 64-bit Ubuntu, and we're going to give space for that. And now we're going to create default values and next dynamically next. Okay, minimum 10 GB, but we're gonna extend that to 30 GB for a safety purpose. So it's now created Ubuntu. So we're gonna start. For starting, need to set up that it need to up to cores, 2 cores, minimum 2 cores. So for safety measure we are 8 cores. And next, memory space. So next we're gonna empty that disk for a storage. So specific storage is dedicated. So open. Next, okay. So it's now powered up. Ubuntu is created. We're gonna start that. So starting process of Ubuntu started, and we're gonna install Ubuntu here. So install, and we're gonna select language, keyboard layout. Next, don't change anything. Continue. Installation type, it's leave that all default. Install now. So continue. So here it is asking for a location. So you can create your name and welcome. Installation of necessary packages for a Maven project or the DEVOPS class. So we're gonna first sudo apt update. So it's asking password. So don't think of it. Just click password. The password is not visible. So we're gonna try again. So it's correct password. So all updation take pages reading. So next we're gonna check Java version minimum 11 JDK. So I already installed, so it's 11.0.26. If the Java JDK is less than, so you're gonna sudo apt install open JDK 11 JDK. So it's gonna saying it's reading state, reading packages upgraded. So now we're gonna check see. Before I already installed, so requirement satisfied. So next we're gonna sudo apt maven install git. Oh, type error. Sudo, it's sudo apt install. So we're gonna install git for a GitHub access. Next, sudo apt maven. I'm gonna install maven packages. Maven. So already the whole requirements are already there, so that's why when you run this it takes huge time. Now we're gonna install Gardle. So version for a Maven need to be 3.6 minimum for Gardle. So version for Maven, so it's gonna version spelling, okay, 3.63 is the Maven required Maven version. So next we're gonna check for Gradle version. So its version is 4.4. so these are all the necessary packages you need to install period to running any project, Java project, Maven project. Now I'm going to config our GitHub repository here. So git config -- global user dot name. Gonna use same username. Enter git config. Now you're gonna need to give email ID. User dot email. So that's it. So GitHub configuration is done. So now see a Jenkins for running these projects. So type Jenkins in a app store. You need to install it. I already installed, that's why it's not showing. You need to install that and go to the localhost localhost in our browser, any Firefox or Google browser. So I already installed, so install it. And so we're gonna in Jenkins we need to install all the necessary packages here for running any Maven project, Gradle project. So we're gonna go for manage Jenkins. So in that we're gonna go plugins, and here we need, so for updating we're gonna check for update for available plugins. So I already installed, so I will show you install plugins. You need to install all email extension plugin and GitHub branch plugin and Gradle plugin and Maven plugin. These are the necessary plugins you need to install for running any Maven Gradle projects through GitHub repo.